In this video, you will learn how to create WhatsApp username. So if you want to create your username for WhatsApp, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to create your WhatsApp username. So WhatsApp has recently started rolling out username creation options, but currently that is not available for everyone. Because if you open WhatsApp here and if I tap on profile icon, this will take us to our profile page on WhatsApp. But if I go to account, here I don't see the option for username creation. But if I show you on my another phone, here I have got WhatsApp Business, and currently the username creation option is available for WhatsApp Business. If I just open the WhatsApp Business app on my iPhone and then tap on settings, here I get multiple settings options. Here I'll tap on account, and after that here you will notice there is the option for username. So you can tap on username and then you can create and reserve your username. Currently the username change will not take into effect, but you can reserve it for later, and when the username comes you will be able to use your WhatsApp username. So tap on create username, and after that here you can enter the username that you want to set for your WhatsApp account and then tap save. Once you enter, you will see that the username is available, and if this username is already available on other meta services like Instagram, Facebook, etc., then you will have to verify your username by logging into those accounts as well. And once that is done, simply tap on save, and that will be saved as your username, and your username will be reserved and created. So this way you may create your WhatsApp username. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to hide WhatsApp name notifications, then tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.